Hello there and welcome. Bonjour. Today I will talk about l'adjectif démonstratif, the basic concept on demonstrative adjectives. As I always say, you need to know very fundamental things if you want to make sentences in any language. I will soon make a video for beginners on how to make sentences in French. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and it's totally free. Keep in touch with our new videos by clicking on that bell button and press a thumbs up if you like my video. Here's some questions for you. Put the correct adjective demonstrative. Number 1, dash est beau. Number 2, dash fille est jolie. Number 3, dash horloge est grande. Number 4, dash maisons sont grandes et belles. Watch till the end of this video to find out the answers. Let's learn l'adjective demonstrative first so that you can answer to these questions. These are the 4 demonstrative adjectives: ce, c'est, cet, c'est. As you know well that in French there are only 2 genders, masculine and feminine, and all nouns are considered as either masculine or feminine. Ce is placed in front of a masculine singular noun, c'est is placed in front of a masculine singular noun starting with a vowel, cet is placed in front of any feminine singular noun, and c'est in front of any plural noun. Ce, c'est, cet. 3 of them mean this in singular, and c'est means these in plural. Let us take some nouns. Table, oiseau, portable, femme, bouteille. All the meanings are given on the screen. Set in front of table. Cette table. This table. Oiseau starts with a vowel and it is masculine singular noun. Cet oiseau. C'est oiseau. Cet oiseau. This bird. Femme is a feminine singular noun, therefore it will be cette. Cette femme, this woman. Ce portable, this mobile phone, as portable is masculine singular noun. Bouteille is feminine singular noun, so cette bouteille, which means this bottle. Now, if you want to say these tables, these birds in plural, just use c'est in front of any plural noun. Ces tables, ces oiseaux, ces femmes, ces portables, ces bouteilles. These tables, these birds, these women, these mobile phones, these bottles. If you have not yet seen the video on l'article indéfini, go on and check this out. Now, I will tell you the answers that I have asked in the beginning of this video. Number 1, cet homme est beau. This man is good looking. This man is handsome. This man is beautiful. Number 2, cette fille est jolie. This girl is pretty. Number 3, cette horloge est grande. This wall clock is big. Number 4, ces maisons sont grandes et belles. These houses are big and beautiful. Let's end this video here and I wish you a very happy learning of French language. Please share my video and let me know what you think by sharing your comments below. Bonne journée. Ciao.